Sort of indicative of the link-up play I think we've seen all morning. All these forward-thinking players now sort of firmly on their game. Thought Marsh was going to backheel it actually into Wilson's path. In the end, he plays in Kent, and then Kent just rolls it into Harry Wilson's path. It's a lovely little goal. It's a training ground goal, really.
Oh, that's a terrible back pass, and Will Marsh has got a great chance. Canos arriving in support. Marsh going all the way. Canos, can he put it away? No. Dominic Kurasik, you have to say, has been outstanding.
Puts the ball right across goal. Kent meets it well, and it's not an easy ball to take. There's some pace on that cross. Goalkeeper does really well just to recover.
Well, the danger's still not over. Polgar's been dragged out of position from centre-back. Queuing up here, this is Douglas.
It's a great burst by Kent, uses all his pace and really tears into the Stoke defence. But when he puts the ball into Marsh, Marsh does really well to sort his feet out. He takes good, nice, quick control, knows exactly what he wants to do. He couldn't have cut that shot any more perfect, but he does really well. His first sort of control is superb.